guys, good morning. Today is Friday, and this video is just an announcement and a follow-up to what I have announced before. Now, thank you very much for all of those who have bought my ebook and they begin working and practicing how to search for stocks, how to select them, and everything in the strategy, which is a very good thing. Now, there are some traders or some people who can't afford to buy my ebook right now. So I ask them to forward me their emails and I put them in watch list. Okay? Because after the end of January, the 1st of January, my ebook will come back to its original price, which is $1,000, because it's the whole strategy. Now, any one of you who is interested to buy the ebook, but not now because you don't have money or you are saving or wherever, so I will be happy to put your email and your name right now, okay, in this January. Don't ask me in February for my ebook, okay, because it will be the same price as it is in my publisher lulu.com. Okay, now after you buy the ebook, what will happen? So after you buy my ebook, you try to read it. Begin with the most important thing, which is the first thing. Okay, try to see the rules, exception of the rules. Try to see how I search with the stock screener, and then when I search with the stock screener, how I select from these stocks. As I told you before, sometimes, let's say I search with 2 criteria, then when I find the stocks, let's say I find 500 stocks that meets my criteria, but I will not buy 500 stocks. Okay, I will select, and this when my rules come into action. Okay, I eliminate all the stocks that the rule speak about. Okay, now when you eliminate them, what is left for you is only 2 or 3 or 5 stocks, okay, which are the best out of the best. Okay, and then you follow with money management, risk management, how to put stop loss, how to follow an uptrend, and all the information in the strategy. You just go and trade like on paper. Okay, you don't need to put money, although some people, they put money and they told me that the stocks, whenever they buy them, they go up. So they become to make money, and I was very happy that they take my vision to the market, which is a price vision. I don't believe in company fundamentals. I believe in the demand and supply. Who buys? I don't care who buys. When I see the price moving up, according to my strategy, I buy. Okay? So, what is the good thing about the ebook is that if you buy the ebook, I will give you 50% of my trading course. So what does it mean? Now, my training course, which is 1-to-1 by Skype, okay, which is interactive, and you can speak to me and I speak to you, I teach you, and you ask questions, and anything we do, you should ask questions. At least when we have the training, you will have no more questions. You know the strategy, you begin to work with it. Okay, what you need is just practice to ameliorate your skills. Okay, because it needs time to work. Now, if you read the ebook and you begin to practice and you need more help, so I will be more than happy to help you with a reduction in price, because my training course is $1,500, okay, for 2 sessions or 3 sessions depending on you. If it is 2 sessions, it should be 3 hours each time, and then I give you a homework after the first session. And if it is like you take 3 sessions, each session is 2 hours, and after the first 2 hours, I will give you a homework, which is always based on what you have learned and how to search select stocks. So instead of paying $1,500 for my strategy, for my trading course, you will be only focusing on what you need, and you will pay only, if you need all the strategy, $750. What does it mean? It means I give you 50% of my training course. Okay, so let's say, for example, you read the ebook, and there is something that you read the book many times, but you don't understand very clearly. Okay, although the ebook is very simple language, it's very easy to follow. Just follow what I tell you, and it all will be all right. But for some people who need more focus on something, the strategy, I have 3 parts. Now, when you read the book and you want to do my training strategy, and then I will give you the 3 parts, and you tell me which one are you looking for, and then I will give you a reduction of 50%. It means if there are 3 sessions, instead of the session having $500 as a price, you will have it for $250. Why? Because you have bought already my ebook. Okay? Now, this is just to help you out, and we are in January. As you might know, the key thing is searching. Okay, searching for stocks. Whenever you find stocks, you find an industry or 2 or 3 that is going up, and mutual fund begin to buy this industry, you just go and buy. You can stretch, you can buy one stock here, you can go to the other industry, buy 1 or 2, you can go to the other one, buy 1 or 2. At least you have some diversification in your trading, and just you do what the strategy you do, and you practice. So please, for those who can't afford my ebook right now, send me your emails, because for me, I'm not collecting emails from people like other websites. They say, okay, you go to a website, you say, okay, I give you something, give me your email and your name or phone number. No, I'm not doing that, and I don't push people to do something they don't like. If you like what you see here, and you want to be trained, and you want to progress in your trading, and you stop losing that much that you always lose, and you want a new fresh air for this new year, 2015, if you have lost money last year, this year you should not lose money. At least you should not lose money, because the whole year work, it will ameliorate your trading skills. Okay, if you are making just a little bit, like 5% to 10% last year, this year you will double what you have. At least you have 20 or 25 or 30%. Okay, now why I don't tell you, oh, you should have 100 or 200%. No, because it needs work. Okay, it needs work. It's not something, it's a business. You can't just in one night, you go to a friend and he will explain to you all the business in one night, and tomorrow you become professional. Okay, you can't do that. Your friend opens a restaurant and he tells you, okay, tonight come to me, I will tell you all how to make the food, everything, and next day open a restaurant and you become famous and customers comes to you. No, business doesn't work like this. Business works with skills. You should acquire the skills that make you a professional trader in any business. I'm not speaking only about trading, but I'm speaking about any business. What you should do is you should acquire skills, because trading is like any other job, any other business. What you should do, acquire skills and practice by yourself. Now you will see that your skills ameliorate, and then you begin to see your efforts rewards. It means later. Okay, you begin to see that you stop losing too much, and then you begin to see the money, and then you find that it is so easy to make the money in the market. Okay, this is because of my vision to the market. Okay, the price is everything. You don't see anything in the market, just the price. Okay, if you are looking to other things, to CNN or CNBC, or to websites, and to see what has happened to the market and who and what are the reasons, believe me, you will never succeed in trading, because trading is based on price only. Okay, other things, they affect the price, but it's not as you might think. Okay, now I have told you many things in this video. I will try to put all the information that I told you in the description, so please read the description under this video description, and just read if you miss something when I'm explaining. But the point that I said is this: my discount, my 25 discount on my ebook strategy is only in January. If you can't afford to buy it right now, please send me your email and your name and show interest, and I put you to the list. Now later in February or March, when you have the money, you just send me an email. You say, oh Kareem, I have the money, and I will see if your email is in the list. If you aren't in the list, believe me, the price will be $1,000. I will not give discount after January. But those people who have interest right now. Okay. Now, second thing, if you buy my ebook, first, congratulations, and second, if you need more help, that's why always my subscribers and my viewers ask me, okay, are you going always just to sell us your ebook strategy and then you forget about us? I say no, I am always with you. When you buy something from me with a strategy, all your answers, I have the answers for all what is in the ebook. And if you have more questions that you think that doesn't exist in the book, please, you have my email. Okay, send me an email, give me details what's the problem, and I will try to help you as much as I can with explaining things again and again. Now, if you need interaction, it means one-to-one training course. Okay, you can take only one part, like one part with 2 hours with $250, and you tell me, oh Kareem, I need help with this. I read the book, but there is something that I don't understand fully, or I have not understood very well what you mean by this or this. Okay, I will try to be more than happy to help you with this. Okay, instead of paying $500 for that part one-to-one, if you want, but when you buy the ebook, it will be only $250. Okay, if you have always a question, my email is always in the description. Just send me an email and tell me what you want. Okay, there are some people who ask me, what do you think about a choose your strategy in forex or commodities or whatever? So for me, I am only specialized in stocks. Now you can use my strategy in forex, but try to see just the price, but you should calculate the risk. Calculate the risk in forex is different from stocks. Now, if you do options, okay, it's the same thing. Options doesn't behave like stock. Okay, options, for example, the risk could be 100%, but for me, I would never do a trade when I risk 100%. Oh, you tell me, how is that? How options is 100% risk? I say yes, I will tell you how. If you buy, for example, 5,000 or 10,000 contracts, money, position, you have position with 5,000 or 10,000 or 1,000, wherever is your money. If you are out of the money, you lose everything. Your 10,000, 5,000 is gone. What is left is just $100, $200 for the time remaining for this contract to stop. Okay, so you are risking too much, and you think that Wall Street guys give you this contract 10% of the stock, because you know the contract is so cheap compared to buying 100 shares of a stock. Okay, for example, if the stock is, let's say, is $20, okay, now what you pay for like an option, you pay only $2 or $3 from this $20 a share. That's why you see options are very, very cheap. But you ask yourself, why the options are very, very cheap? Okay? Do you think Wall Street guys, when they do these options, they are playing with you, they give you a gift? No, because if you are out of the money, believe me, those who trade options, they know what does it mean when you are out of the money. Okay, when you are out of the strike that you have bought, and if you put too much money, believe me, you lose too much. So this needs more risk calculations. And for me, my calculations is on the stock only. Okay, based on the stocks only. I'm not. I don't have an option or to give you how to calculate options or how to calculate commodities or forex, okay, or futures. Okay, I am not. That's why don't ask me something that it is not in the ebook. What we are doing, we are swing traders. We follow uptrends or downtrends. Mostly I do uptrends because the downtrend is more dangerous, and because if the market goes against you, you can lose too much money. This has a relation always with the risk, okay? Because if you put $10,000 in a stock and it's going up, suppose that doesn't go down, a stop loss will always make you exit the trade, okay, with a minimum loss. But suppose that you do the stock is going down and you do shorting the stock. What will happen to you? Suppose that this stock, after the market closed, it doubled. Okay, it doubles from $20. Tomorrow you find it $40. You know how much you lost? You lose all your money, and you lose the same money, and you should give to the broker. Okay, so you lose double. You lose, for example, 200%. You lose your money first, and then you lose another kind of money to give to the broker. And believe me, this kind of things happen, and it will happen, and it is disastrous. That's why for me, I am a conservative trader. Okay, I trade conservatively. I don't want to push my money to the extreme where I have a lot of risk. Okay, that's why I can make money through the year. Okay, by the end of the year, I will make the money because I am very, very conservative. I don't play the big game to put all my money, for example, in one trade, or to make sure that I know the future. I don't know the future, and I don't predict. My whole strategy is what? Is only based on participating on the price action, which is the easiest and the most effective ways to make the money. You participate. That's it. I don't tell you that if I choose 2 or 3 stocks, for example, and I buy them, I don't predict that tomorrow they will go up. No. I say to myself, I am sure that these stocks will go up because of my strategy, because I choose them because of my rules. Not because tomorrow they will go up. No, because I don't know the future. Now suppose they go down. Okay, I sell them. I have stop loss. So I have just minimum loss. If I made another good trade, I can cover my losses. So I have no problem with the market. So I don't force the market to give me money. The market, when you are right and you follow a trend, the market will give you money, okay, without doing anything. Just you stay and watch your stock going up. Okay, so hope you have understood what I say in this video. If there is a doubt or you need to address a question or something, please, you have my email, or you comment, or you thumb it up, or you subscribe if you don't. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.